just boys growing up. Mamas talk to Jesus a lot about their boys growing up.
Yep, you're good.
In the junkyard, still doing a lot of business from the boys growing up. The toys get faster, the drinks get stronger, the skin gets thicker and the shadows get longer. We're still falling down, learning how to pick ourselves up off the ground. You know a man's gotta be tough, don't mind us. We're just boys growing up. We're just boys growing up.